Got tokens scattered across a bunch of wallets and you want them all back in one place? This tool pulls them together in a couple of clicks. Let me show you. On j.tools, the fastest way to any tool is the search bar up top. I'll just type batch and open the batch collector. First, I'll connect my wallet from the top right. I'll use Phantom and approve it. I'll pick Connected Wallet, collecting it all straight back into the same wallet I sent it from. Then, I choose what to collect. I'll pick the demo token I sent out in my last video, but this works with Sol, or any token you're holding. Now the wallets I'm collecting from, I'll click Import Wallet and paste the private keys for each one, because to move tokens out, every wallet has to sign for itself. The tool checks them instantly. 10 detected, 10 valid, each showing its balance. Then I'll hit Use 10 Wallets to load them in. For how much to take, I'll use Max. It pulls everything out of each wallet and leaves them empty. You can also keep a set amount, send a fixed number, or a percentage. Each wallet needs a tiny bit of Sol for its own fee, so make sure they're funded before you collect. Everything looks right, so I'll hit Collect. And that's it. Collection complete. 10 out of 10 wallets, 10,000 tokens now in one place. To learn more, subscribe and follow. Everything's at j.tools.